Most fertility clinics are run by committed professionals. But IVF is emotional, expensive, and rarely shopped around, and that mix attracts a minority of practices that overpromise, overtest, or hide their pricing. In the next few minutes, you will know the 7 warning signs that matter most and one simple rule for reading them. Here is the rule first. A single red flag is not proof of bad care. Most of these signs have innocent explanations on their own. But several together, or a clinic that gets defensive when you ask about them, is a good reason to slow down, ask more questions, and consider a second opinion. Trust your instincts. If you feel rushed, dismissed, or unsure about what you are paying for, that is worth acting on. Flag 1, and the most common, misleading success rates. This is rarely an outright lie. It is usually a matter of choosing the most flattering way to present numbers. Watch for a pregnancy rate quoted instead of a live birth rate, because a positive test is not a baby. Watch for a rate per embryo transfer presented as if it were per cycle started, which quietly leaves out cycles that never reached transfer. Watch for one headline number with no age breakdown, when success with your own eggs falls substantially with age. And watch for a high number with no explanation of the time period or how many patients it covers. A very high overall rate advertised without context is a flag, not a selling point. Ask for the live birth rate per transfer for your age group, using your own eggs, and see whether the clinic can answer plainly. Flag 2, pressure, rushing, and upselling. Good fertility care gives you room to understand and decide. Be wary if you are pushed straight to IVF without a proper look into why you are struggling, or without simpler options being discussed. Be wary of pressure to start this cycle immediately, or to decide on the spot. And be wary when a consultation feels like a sales pitch, with bundles, limited time pricing, or a long list of extras added before you have understood the basics. Flag 3, money you cannot pin down. This is one of the clearest practical warning signs. A clinic that will not give you a written, itemized estimate before you commit. A low headline package that leaves out medication, ICSI, anesthesia, freezing, or testing, the things you will almost certainly need. Hidden charges can add 30 to 50% or more to a quoted price. Large upfront payments with vague refund terms. Costs that change during treatment without being discussed with you first. There is a simple test here. Ask for the full cost in writing. A transparent clinic provides it readily. Reluctance tells you something useful before you commit any money. Flag 4, unproven add-ons sold as essential. These are optional extras like assisted hatching, embryo glue, endometrial scratch, time-lapse imaging, or endometrial receptivity testing. The UK fertility regulator grades common IVF add-ons on a traffic light system, and in its latest review it rated none of them green for clearly improving the chance of a baby. This does not mean a clinic offering add-ons is bad. Some extras help specific patients. The flag is add-ons presented as routine or essential to everyone, with little discussion of evidence. A fair question to ask: what is the evidence this helps someone like me? Flag 5, evasiveness and poor communication. How a clinic answers questions is a good guide to how it will treat you later. Vague or irritated answers. A sense that you are being managed rather than informed. No clear point of contact, or slow responses to urgent questions. A good clinic is happy to answer questions. If a clinic will not, that is a reason to walk away. Flag 6, legitimacy and transparency gaps. In India, some checks are not optional. Under the Art Regulation Act of 2021, every fertility clinic must be registered with the National Art and Surrogacy Registry, and only Level 2 clinics are authorized for IVF and ICSI. A clinic that is not registered or will not show its registration should simply be off your list. We covered how to check this in our previous video, and you can confirm any clinic in our free directory in about a minute. Also watch for the absence of a named, qualified doctor or embryologist, and for a rushed or absent consent process. The law requires written informed consent and a clear way to raise a complaint. Flag 7, and the most serious, guaranteed success. No one can guarantee a baby. Treat any guaranteed pregnancy, 100% success, or money-back baby framing as a serious red flag. The same goes for fear or guilt used to push decisions, such as being told that if you wait, it will be too late. And for testimonials and miracle stories offered in place of clear, defined numbers. Honesty about uncertainty is a mark of a good clinic. Certainty for sale is a mark of a bad one. So here is the quick version to carry with you. Slow down and seek a second opinion if several of these are true. The advertised success rate is high, blended, and unexplained. IVF was recommended with no workup and no alternatives discussed. The clinic will not put costs in writing. Add-ons are presented as essential, without evidence. Questions are met with vagueness or pressure. The clinic is not registered or will not show it. Or anyone promises a guaranteed baby. One last thing to keep in mind. A warning sign is a reason to ask more questions, not a verdict on any clinic. The companion to this video is our guide to the questions to ask your clinic, which gives you the exact wording to use in a consultation. That guide, this full article, and our free directory of registered clinics are all linked below. The directory covers 639 registered clinics across Bangalore, Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and Hyderabad. It is free, and no clinic can pay to be listed or ranked. This video is general information, not medical advice, and not a judgment about any specific clinic. For your own treatment decisions, speak with a qualified clinician. Thanks for watching.